This listing includes a complete front strut kit, meaning everything comes fully assembled and ready to install. The kit includes one front left loaded strut, part hash 1,355,088, one front right loaded strut, part hash 1,355,088. Each strut comes with Vari-Rate coil spring upper mount bearing shock absorber. No spring compressors needed. No extra parts required. Unlike standard coil springs, Vari-Rate springs adjust stiffness based on road conditions. That means softer response on small bumps, firmer support during heavy loads or hard braking. Better ride comfort and stability overall, perfect for trucks that tow, haul, or see rough roads. With these complete struts installed, you'll notice improved ride quality, better steering control, reduced front-end noise, restored factory ride height, less tire wear. It is one of the best upgrades you can make for an aging suspension. These struts are a direct replacement for Nissan Titan XD model years 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2022, 2023, designed for perfect OEM-style fitment. Replacing just the shock isn't enough. Old springs and mounts wear out too. Complete struts save you labor time, installation cost, and future breakdowns. It's the smart, long-term solution. So if your Titan XD needs new front suspension, this front complete strut kit with Vari-Rate springs is the upgrade you've been looking for. Check the link in the description for fitment and pricing, and get your truck riding like new again.